Hi guys, Carl Peterson from Nicolock Paving Stones and Retaining Walls. Today we're on our display in Hastings in Long Island in Lindenhurst, and we're going to show you a sample of assembling our SKS, Segmental Kitchen System cabinets. And we're going to show you the basics of veneering them and finishing it to get a full system that doesn't involve footings or anything like that. As you can see, we put the 38-inch Sunfire in this island. We got a 36-inch combination underneath. We got the 15-inch new refrigerator from Somerset. Made a nice clean L shape with a bar and leathered granite on the top. Guys, any questions, reach out to Nicolock.com. Check us out.
Pave your way.